are SaaStr! Woo!
We are SaaStr.
We are SaaStr.
Yes, I love this. I really love this,
SaaStr is the place where all the SaaS tech companies come together.
SaaStr is the world's largest community for cloud and SaaS founders and executives, and we try to help the next generation of founders get from 1 to 100 million easier.
Being able to come down to be in an outside event like this has been an incredible experience for my team.
I gotta give you all props for pulling this off. The industry needed this. We needed to get together in person.
It's a great audience. Cloud vendors, startups, scale-ups. It's got tons of CEOs, CMOs, and fantastic entrepreneurs.
Stand on the shoulders of giants, right?
Fun for us because a lot of the sponsors here are actually on our site, so it's really fun to interact with all of our customers. And the whole point of our lounge is to just show them how much we appreciate them and have some fun.
B2B, B2C, product-led growth, building your company, product market fit. It's kind of a nexus of all those conversations wrapped into one, which is pretty cool.
You need to go to SaaStr to sort of sharpen your messaging. You think you're smart when you arrive here, and then you realize everybody else is smarter.
You have to be as good as you can get, and part of that is learning from the best. And they have such a solid lineup of speakers that you can't ignore it.
It's not something that we get to do a lot as founders and CEOs. It can be isolating at times, and so being able to be here and talk about best practices and what are we seeing in the market, it's encouraging.
I think it's the quality of the people who are here, is people who are completely dedicated to cloud, to SaaS, and the model.
If you're a founder in a growing space that's relatively new, you have to be at events, you have to meet people because you're educating them in person, and SaaStr is a great place for that.
There's a lot of thought leadership that can be exchanged in a very short time, and a lot of meetings that can happen that otherwise would take weeks or months to schedule.
Signed up 50 SaaS vendors in 2 days. That would have taken me maybe a year to do.
When we get back, and I have 80 connections in LinkedIn of people wanting to say, hey, what's going on? Dually seems pretty cool. What are y'all doing? Can I introduce you to our VP of sales? We're like, that's them coming to us. And the best of B2C has got to make its way into B2B.
Actually walking through the booths is cool. SaaS is growing and changing at such a rapid pace that hearing what other companies are doing, how other leaders are solving common challenges has been just really eye-opening, and I have so many ideas to bring back to our organization as well.
Honestly, I look forward most to SaaStr every year of all the other conferences just because it brings together all these amazing people focused on a very concentrated discipline. In fact, you could argue that this conference has helped SaaS be what it is today.
It's amazing magic that can happen.
We are SaaStr. We are SaaStr.
I love coming to SaaStr.
We are SaaStr.
We are SaaStr.
We are SaaStr!